In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add subscribe sticker on your videos in Filmora. So adding subscribe sticker is one of the best ways to encourage subscribers on your channel. And before you upload it on YouTube, you may want to go ahead and add this sticker on your videos. Now, by following simple steps, you'll be able to do this in Filmora. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. All right, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and add your video on the timeline, and once you have finished editing, it's time to add the subscribe sticker. For this, head over to stickers on top here and then click on it. Now here you can see we have quite a number of stickers, and you can go ahead and choose the sticker according to the name, and you'll be able to see. For our case, we are interested in subscribe sticker, so we have quite a number of them here that you can choose from. So for my case, I'm interested in this, so I'll go ahead and download it. And this will take seconds to be downloaded, and look at how it will appear. Now to add it, go ahead and click on add, and it will be added on our video. However, the problem is I need it maybe to be added towards the end of the video. So just move it to the location where you want this subscribe sticker to be added, and I think it will be best there. If you don't want it to cover the whole screen, you can also resize it by just clicking on it here, and then you can resize it and also move it where you want it to appear, like that. You can also make it much longer or shorter, just the way you wish it to be. So if I leave it at that, now you can see it appears quite well. You can also go ahead and add sound effects if you wish, and for that, just go ahead and click on audio here and then look for sound effects. Now from this, look for any subscribe sound effects, or if you can't find it, you can also go ahead and create AI sound effects. When you use this AI audio and then AI sound effects, go ahead and describe the sound effect you want, and it will automatically be created for you, and you can now accompany it under the audio timeline to this video or to this sticker. So that's how you can create a subscribe sticker or add a subscribe sticker in Filmora video editor. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.